epitaxy or epitaxial growth is the growth of one inorganic crystalline phase on another, where the orientation of the new lattice depends on the orientation of the substrate. So what happens if you imagine this is our substrate here with our blue and green ions or atoms arranged or in an ordered way in that crystal lattice, then when you get growth of a new phase over the top of that underlying phase, it's not just going to grow any which way with the atoms and ions in any odd direction. The chances are it's actually going to be directed by the layout of the substrate underneath. Okay, so our second phase, our new phase, growing on the top of the substrate, is going to be ordered by the phase underneath. So you can see these white atoms or ions of our second phase are lined up with the crystal lattice underneath. It normally requires a fairly high level of lattice matching, so in terms of distances between the ions, it's really common in geology to see one phase grow over the top of another epitaxially. It's used a lot in the semiconductor industry. We talk about epitaxial growth of thin films of one material on a substrate. And then in terms of biomineralization, it's believed that ordered organic phases can actually start to direct the overgrowth of an inorganic mineral over the top.